Okay guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. Send you from Real Deal Auto. We took this one on trade. It does have a set of snow tires and the more basic rims that come with the vehicle. It is a rebuilt title. Damage was on this driver's side rear. It was done later. This is a guy who damage was done before the guy bought it. It's right over there. They traded it in, so it has a sunroof on it. Here's a manual transmission. See, 80,462 on the miles. Does have the backup camera on there. Smart key. All your cruise control options. Has the Dimension sound system in there. Power mirrors. Leather wrapped seats. Here's your VIN number. Damage is in this area. Does have all the floor mats there. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.